This 2015 Thor motor coach Tuscany XTE 34th Street is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Thor motor coach is 35 feet 4 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, Ivory Sonata, high gloss glazed cherry interior, sleeps 3, skylight, air conditioning, self-contained, water heater, slideout, external shower, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2015 Thor motor coach Tuscany XTE 34th Street is built on a Freightliner XC-R chassis and is powered by a Cummins ISB-XT 6.7L engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.